friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw talks from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the head, so we're going to start in the center, drawing in a nice big circle, curving this line down, and then in towards the bottom. And then we're going to start back on the top, curving this line around, and then underneath. Now that we have this, we're going to draw in our eyes. So on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then we're going to leave a small gap in the center, coming over on the right and replicating that. Now moving inside of both circles, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. So we're going to do that closer to the corner of the eye. And we're going to step across on the right, replicating that. Now let's draw in the mouth in the middle. So as we come up on the left, we're going to curve this line around, up, and then over. And then we're going to move over on the right, lining that up at the same height and just replicating that shape, blending that in together in the middle. And now we're going to connect this together. So curving this around in the corner, bringing this around, up, and then over, replicating that shape. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw in our ears. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the left, replicating that. Now from the top, we're going to curve this line down and in towards the side, closing off the ear. Let's draw on the whiskers. So we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come over. Line this up at the same height on the left, replicating that. Let's move down now, drawing that one more time. Now let's move down for the body. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a straight line across. In the middle for the symbol, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then above, we're just going to draw in a curved line on the top, leaving a gap coming down on the right. And then again, we'll leave another gap on the left. Now in each spot, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, ending those at the same height on both sides. And then we're going to close that off on the top with an arch line. And that is it. That's how you draw a talk Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.